Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Last month, Google Bard received several updates with other promising new features shared on Made by Google, and we're here to talk about them. Let's dive in and see if these updates will be the end of Chat GPT. Bard has now been connected into Google services through extensions. If you're familiar with the plugins from Chat GPT, this is similar. It can now pull real-time information from Google Maps, YouTube, Google Hotels, Google Flights, Google Workspace, and more. To aid in planning and research, you simply need to toggle the extension you want. Once you've done that, you can call any of the extensions using the @ symbol. For example, ask for the top 5 YouTube videos on Google Bard, and you can either watch the videos natively from the Bard application or open it on YouTube. This will help in searching for more relevant content faster. You can also have Bard search and summarize your documents from your Google Drive related to a specific topic or project. Or you can use it on Google Maps to have it find you the best restaurants within an area based on your personal preferences. The extensions help you turn Bard into your personal search assistant across the internet. You can quickly get customized results from different apps and services based on your conversational prompts and your personal information. It's an extremely efficient way to search instead of opening multiple applications yourself. The AI basically becomes your guide to curate and deliver the most useful information for you. Be sure to also check out the Updates tab for further details on the latest additions and improvements, such as integration with Google Workspace, the double check feature, and support for over 40 languages. As you probably know, Google initially released Bard to the public in February 2023 as an experimental conversational AI system in response to OpenAI's ChatGPT that went viral in November 2022. However, many noticed that Bard was initially limited compared to ChatGPT, especially in areas like reasoning skills and providing accurate, nuanced responses. So here is the current Google Bard's dashboard. You can use it to understand, create, or explore. At the bottom here, you can upload an image and the AI will instantly analyze it and describe what it sees in detail. For example, I've uploaded a photo of someone's shoes. As you can see, the AI generates a description picking out the color, brand, style, and even the pants worn. You can even ask it follow-up questions on the image if need be. There are multiple drafts you can flip through that rephrase the description in different ways. You can read the text out loud in a natural voice.
The image you provided shows a person's feet wearing a pair of white Nike shoes.
For collaboration, you can share the results publicly with others here. Bard also gives you the option to rewrite your response to make it shorter, longer, or simpler, and even modify the tone to be more casual or professional. Further, you have the option to like or dislike the response and even provide additional feedback before you submit. The AI can learn from this over time to improve its conversational ability. You can also dictate your prompts instead of typing by clicking the microphone icon. This makes the conversation even more natural and fluid. One amazing feature they have added is the double check feature, which is dubbed Google It, that essentially automatically verifies facts in the response and provides links to the sources. Any verified information is highlighted in green with clickable links to where it verified the information. This ensures accuracy and credibility in the AI's response. The brown ones mean that Google did not find relevant content or found contradicting information. You would then need to know and be cautious about how you use this information. The unhighlighted ones are generated directly by the AI. You can also share conversations via a public link, which allows you to either share the whole chat or the prompt and response. And now other people can build off your Bard conversations to spark new ideas. You can also export to Google Docs to allow for collaboration with other people or send it to your Gmail as a draft. Let us go through some of the key updates that have been rolled out since Bard's release. The initial launch in February 2023 was limited to the US and UK in English only. Over the past few months, Google has rapidly expanded Bard's capabilities and availability. By July 2023, Bard was available in over 40 languages including Arabic, Chinese, German, Hindi, and Spanish, and has been launched in over 220 countries and territories. You can now get customized responses and easily adjust Bard's responses. You can pin and rename conversations to easily find them, though they have not added a search feature yet. You can also export code to Google Bard and now Replit. Some other big additions at the time included integration with Google Lens that allows you to upload images to boost creativity. This feature helps learners improve their vocabulary related to physical descriptions. Then, last month, Bard's new updates became more intuitive, imaginative, and responsive based on all the feedback. It can now have multilingual conversations, switching between 40 languages smoothly, which is pretty amazing. This is a significant update to language learners, making it easier to learn how to have conversations. Bard allows users to engage in real-time chats in their chosen language, enabling practicing without the need for a native speaking partner. On connectivity with Google's apps and services through extensions, for Gmail, Doc, and Drive users, Bard can interact with your personal content in English to summarize information and answer questions about your document while keeping your data private. Google says that they are committed to protecting your personal information. So if you choose to use the Workspace extensions, your content from Gmail, Docs, and Drive is not seen by human reviewers or used by Bard to show you ads or train the Bard model. And of course, you're always in control of your privacy settings when deciding how you want to use these extensions, and you can turn them off at any time. We also have the double check feature, Google It, that double checks facts and claims made by Google Bard and highlights them in green if verified and brown if the content differs, allowing you to verify the information provided. And finally, sharing capabilities so you can let others view your Bard conversations. In the event made by Google on 4th October earlier this month, Google announced Assistant with Bard, which brings together the capabilities of Google Assistant and Bard. Google Assistant was introduced on the original Pixel phone 7 years ago. It has since evolved into a helpful tool on various devices. Google is leveraging generative AI research to enhance its mobile devices, opening up new possibilities. Assistant with Google will combine personalized help, reasoning, and generative capabilities. It enables the phone to listen, speak, see, and take action, all to assist you in your daily tasks. It will help you make sense of your day, from summarizing important emails to providing directions and even composing texts for you. Additionally, it can assist with creative tasks like generating social media captions for photos. Initially, Assistant with Bard will be rolled out to select testers and will later become available as an opt-in experience. And for Google Pixel 8 users, be on the lookout for the feature in the coming months. But how does Google Bard AI stack up to industry leaders Chat GPT? While Bard has made huge strides, Chat GPT still has the edge in areas like conversational ability and creative writing. However, Bard's integration with Google apps and services provides a unique utility that can now incorporate your personal data into its responses, providing assistance tailored to your exact needs and real-world context. No more one-size-fits-all responses. So, while Google Bard still trails ChatGPT in some areas like conversational flow, this update narrows the gap. I'm excited to see where Google's Bard AI goes next. Let me know in the comment section below what cool features you'd like to see in Bard. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.